Question number 6. So we are given that the equation, okay, has -2 as one of the roots. We are provided with a cubic equation and -2 is one of the roots. If other two roots are real, then the minimum possible non-negative integer value of r. Okay. Minimum possible non-negative integer value of r पूछा है. So for that we have to find the range of r. Okay. Sum of roots, if we see, is equals to minus b by a. Okay. Here we are given that -2 is one of the roots. And if we see sum of the roots is minus b by a, if we solve it, we will have r as a variable. Okay, let's see. Sum of the product of roots two at a time, it will be c by a, which is again r. Okay, so from here we'll see product of all the three roots, which will be equal to product of all three roots, which will be equal to d by a. Okay, now we will not get any variable because it will be equal to 2. And we have -2 as one of the root and other two roots equal to 2. So from here we can see that, sorry, it is a minus d by a and it will be -2. From here we can see that -2 into other two roots is equals to -2. So for this, now we know that other two roots product must be equal to 1. The product of other two roots must be equal to 1. If other two roots are, let's say, alpha and beta, then product of these two must be equals to 1. So we can take two roots as 1 and 1, alpha and 1 by alpha. Then these product of these two will be equals to 1. Okay, let's move further. Now, if we take the sum of the roots, which is minus b by a, let's see, sum of roots will be equal to alpha plus 1 by alpha minus 2 is equals to minus 2r plus 1 divided by 1. A is 1 here. Okay. Now, alpha plus 1 by alpha is equals to minus 2r plus 1. Okay. Now, we have alpha plus 1 by alpha. So, we know that x plus 1 by x, if we have x plus 1 by x, it will always be smaller than equal to -2 and greater than equal to 2. So alpha plus 1 by alpha will also be greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to -2. So we can write that -2r plus 1 is greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to -2. Let's solve it. This one will go here. It will be -3 minus 2r. This one will go this side. It will be 1. Now we'll divide 2 on the both sides. Signs will get changed. It will be r less than equal to -1 by 2. r greater than equal to 3 by 2. So now we got the range of r. And in the question, they have asked the minimum possible non-negative integer value. So for non-negative, we have r is greater than equal to 3 by 2. It is greater than equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So another next value of integer value of r will be 2. So the minimum possible non-negative integer value of r will be 2. So this question was a little bit calculative and can say a little bit lengthy. This question was not a doable question. Okay, let's move to the next question.